In this video, I'll guide you through how to add Jotform to your Wix website. Whether you're looking to enhance your website with a contact form, a survey, or any other type of interactive form, integrating Jotform into your Wix site can be a game changer. So let's dive right in and see how you can do this seamlessly. First things first, open up your web browser and head over to wix.com. It's important to make sure you're logged in to your Wix account so you can easily make changes to your site. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're on the Wix dashboard, take a look at the menu on the left-hand side. Here, you'll find a variety of options to customize your site. What you want to do next is click on the Apps option. This is where Wix houses all the different applications you can integrate into your site to enhance its functionality. After clicking on Apps, you'll be directed to the App Market. This is Wix's treasure trove of third-party apps that you can add to your website. The search function here is your best friend. In the search bar, type in Jotform and hit Enter. This will bring up a list of results, and you'll want to look for the official Jotform app. Once you've found the Jotform app, click on it. This will take you to a page with more information about what the app can do and how it might benefit your site. When you're ready to add it, you'll see an option that says Add to Site. Go ahead and click on this button. Before Jotform is added to your site, you'll be prompted to agree to the terms and conditions. Make sure you read them over, and if you're happy with everything, click Agree and Add. This is a crucial step because it gives permission for the app to integrate with your website. And there you have it. You've successfully added Jotform to your Wix site. From here, you can start creating and customizing forms to fit your specific needs, whether it's collecting emails, conducting surveys, or any other type of data collection. Jotform provides a versatile solution. Remember, integrating Jotform into your Wix site not only enhances its functionality, but also improves user interaction, which can be crucial for your business or personal projects. So take some time to explore all the features Jotform offers and see how it can best serve your needs. If you found this guide helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tutorials. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and happy form building.